Y'all, I am so excited. Look, my first microwave chunks. I put them in the microwave. I put it on 3 minutes. It's all argo, pure. I didn't mix it with anything. But I put it on 3 minutes. And, was it 3? Yeah, I put it on 3 minutes at first. Like, every minute I flip it over to a different side. And then I put it in there again on 1 minute. And I flipped it a few times within that 1 minute. Then I put it in the refrigerator. And oh my God, y'all. It came out. I got some good big chunks. But this is just a quick video. That's all, just to show y'all my chunks. I didn't have no cornstarch to eat this morning, so I just used a box of argo. The argo in the box. And I packed it real good and put it in the microwave. And this is my microwave chunks. I remember the first time I ever did it, like 2 years ago. I put it in the microwave. I promise to God, I burnt the whole. It was like, when I got it out, I'm like, oh, I can feel it. It's hard. It's a brick. Then when I opened it up, it smelled burnt. So like the whole inside of it was burnt up. And I never tried it again. But I was like, you know what? I need to make me some cornstarch really, really fast because I didn't have none. And I did that in the microwave. And this is what came out. Mm. Baby, these chunks is everything. They crunchy and crisp. They are so good. I am so happy with how this turned out. Really real. My baby said these are so delicious. So now, I guess I'll be implementing more of my microwave. Because I like doing oven in the pan. Chunks now. But yeah. Need chunks with it. What I was looking for. This is my pan from earlier. I was going to pack me some more. Just in case this box didn't come out right. But this is my argo I use in the microwave. And it came out perfect. Nice and crisp, big chunks. But I'm putting me a bigger one in. Just real big can. And I'm putting it in the oven tonight. And I'm going to bake it. Because I don't want to mess up all that good cornstarch. I'm sorry. I was going to try to boil it, but I said no. We're going to bake this. So this cornstarch is not going away. But tune in for my other video, because this will be gone by like in the next hour or so. No. Tune in tonight for my other video. Well, I mean tomorrow probably. I'll probably do it tomorrow. But don't forget to like, Leave me a comment if you like what you see. I appreciate everybody that's subscribing to me. Don't forget to continue to subscribe to the ones that haven't. Hit the notification bell. So that way when I upload my next video, you can see it. And also don't forget to leave me a comment. I like reading y'all comments. And I'll see y'all next video. Don't forget, y'all. I always, what's to these chunks?